In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see your liked pins on Pinterest. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, if you're like me and you often pin pictures, ideas, or inspiration on Pinterest, you might sometimes want to go back and revisit the pins you've liked. Instead of sifting through all your boards, I'll guide you through a simple process to find those liked pins. So, let's dive in. First things first, you'll want to open the Pinterest app on your device or visit the Pinterest website on your computer. This is the hub of creativity and inspiration, and it's where we'll be navigating today. Once you're there, make sure you sign in to your account. If you're already signed in, you can skip this step and move straight to your profile. After signing in, the next step is to tap your profile picture. Your profile picture is usually located at the top right corner of the screen if you're on a computer, or at the bottom of the screen if you're on a mobile device. When you click or tap on your profile picture, you'll be taken to your profile page, which is like your own personal Pinterest gallery, filled with all the pins and boards you've created and saved. Once you're on your profile page, look for an option that says Saved, or a tab that shows your boards. This area displays all the boards where you've saved various pins. You might see boards organized by topic or theme, such as recipes, DIY projects, or home decor. Take a moment to browse through these boards. This is where most of your saved pins will be located. Now, as you scroll through your boards, you might spot some of your liked pins. When you click on a board, it will expand to show all the individual pins saved within it. You can easily scroll through them to find what you're looking for. However, if you opened your boards and didn't find the specific pin you had liked in the past, don't worry just yet. There's an easy workaround. Pinterest has a handy search feature that can help you find those elusive pins. Look for the search icon, which is usually at the top of the home screen or in the app, often represented by a magnifying glass. Click or tap on that search icon, and you'll be directed to the search bar. This is where you can enter keywords related to the pin you're trying to find. For example, you could type in a description of the image or the theme of the pin, like vegan recipes or home organization hacks. Once you've entered your keywords, hit the search button, and Pinterest will display a variety of pins that match your query. You might just uncover some new inspiration along the way, while searching for your liked pins. Remember, Pinterest is all about discovering new ideas and collecting inspiration, so you'll likely stumble upon pins that pique your interest while searching. And who knows, you might find a pin you liked before, and it might lead you down a new rabbit hole of ideas you hadn't considered before. So that's how you can easily see your liked pins on Pinterest, all in a few straightforward steps. Open Pinterest, head to your profile, browse through your saved boards, or, if needed, put the search function to work for you. I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget, if you found this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. That way, you won't miss out on any more tips and tricks for navigating your favorite apps. Thanks for watching, and enjoy pinning.